High in the mountains of Yunnan, a secret awaits. Lijiang. A whisper of the ancient world untouched by time. Imagine cobbled streets winding past canals, bridges arched like willow branches, houses of timbered elegance, their roofs adorned with carved beasts. This is not a scene from a fable, though it feels like it. This is Lijiang, a living testament to China's soul. The air hums with a different energy, a sense of peace that pervades every corner. The pace of life slows, attuned to the rhythm of nature. Each turn reveals a new vista, a glimpse into a world of beauty and tradition. The heart of Lijiang beats in its old town, a UNESCO World Heritage site. The Naxi people, guardians of this enchanted place, move with an ageless grace. Their music drifts on the breeze, a haunting melody that speaks of a rich cultural heritage. Lijiang's story is woven into the fabric of its buildings, its people, its very air. Founded over 800 years ago during the Southern Song dynasty, it was once a vital trading post on the Tea-Horse Road. This ancient route snaked its way from Yunnan to Tibet, carrying goods and ideas across treacherous mountain passes. The echoes of those caravans still linger, whispering tales of adventure and hardship. Unlike many Chinese towns, Lijiang was never enclosed by walls. The Naxi people, known for their peaceful nature, believed in the protection of the surrounding mountains. This open spirit is palpable even today. The town invites exploration, beckoning visitors to lose themselves in its labyrinthine alleys. The Naxi culture is deeply rooted in shamanism and animism, believing in the interconnectedness of all things. Their unique pictographic script, one of the last living scripts in the world, adorns buildings and temples, telling silent stories of the past. Lijiang is a town best explored on foot. Let the cobblestone streets be your guide, leading you on a journey of discovery. Meander through narrow alleyways where sunlight filters through ornate latticework. Pause by ancient bridges adorned with carvings of mythical creatures. Listen to the gentle murmur of water flowing through the canals, a constant presence that soothes the soul. Look up, and you'll see the watchful gaze of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Its towering peaks, perpetually capped with snow, dominate the skyline. For the Naxi people, this mountain is sacred, a deity to be revered and respected. Its presence infuses Lijiang with a sense of awe and wonder. Step inside one of the many traditional Naxi courtyards, and you'll enter another world. These havens of peace and tranquility offer a glimpse into the town's domestic life. Intricately carved wooden screens separate the spaces, allowing light and air to flow freely. The Naxi people are the heart and soul of Lijiang. Their history is intertwined with the town's, their culture its lifeblood. Warm and welcoming, they are eager to share their traditions with visitors. Listen to their stories, told with a mixture of pride and humor. Observe their daily rituals, from morning offerings at local temples to evenings spent gathered around communal fires. Music is an integral part of Naxi culture, a way of expressing their deepest emotions and beliefs. The ancient dongjing music, performed on traditional instruments, is said to have been played for over 1,000 years. Attending a performance is a truly moving experience, a chance to connect with the soul of the Naxi people. The melodies, both haunting and beautiful, stay with you long after the last note has faded. Their pictographic script, one of the last living scripts in the world, is a testament to their cultural richness. Look for them on shop signs, temple banners, and even carved into the stone bridges. No journey to Lijiang is complete without experiencing its culinary delights. The local cuisine is a tantalizing blend of flavors and textures, influenced by the region's diverse geography and cultural heritage. From hearty mountain fare to delicate snacks, there's something to satisfy every palate. Be adventurous and try something new. You won't be disappointed. Start your day with a steaming bowl of baba, a traditional Naxi flatbread. Made with wheat flour and cooked in a clay oven, it's best enjoyed freshly made with a dollop of honey or a sprinkle of sugar. For something more substantial, try the nixtamali, steamed corn cakes filled with savory meats or vegetables. For a true taste of Lijiang, head to one of the many local restaurants and sample some of the regional specialties. The black goat hotpot, cooked in a copper pot over an open fire, is a must-try. Another favorite is the fried cheese, a crispy and flavorful dish made with local goat cheese. Lijiang is a feast for the senses, a riot of colors, sounds, and smells. The town's markets are a particular highlight, offering a glimpse into the local way of life. Wander through stalls piled high with fresh produce, spices, and handicrafts. Engage with the friendly vendors, practice your bargaining skills, and pick up some unique souvenirs. The dongba paper, made from the bark of the local dongba tree, is a must-buy. This durable paper, once used for religious scriptures, is now crafted into a variety of beautiful and practical items. Look for notebooks, lanterns, and even clothing made from this unique material. The Naxi people are also renowned for their silversmithing skills. Intricately crafted silver jewelry, often adorned with turquoise and coral, is a popular souvenir. Look for pieces featuring traditional Naxi motifs, such as the mythical Dongba characters or the majestic Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. No visit to Lijiang is complete without paying homage to its majestic guardian, the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Towering over the town, its snow-capped peaks seem to pierce the heavens. The mountain is more than just a scenic backdrop, it's a sacred place, steeped in legend and lore. To hike its slopes is to embark on a spiritual journey, a chance to connect with the raw power of nature. Numerous trails wind their way up the mountain, catering to all levels of fitness. For a challenging but rewarding hike, tackle the trail to Glacier Park. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding peaks and valleys. For a more leisurely experience, take the cable car to Yak Meadow. Here you can wander amongst grazing yaks, soak up the stunning scenery, and even try your hand at horseback riding. Whether you choose to hike or ride, a visit to the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is an unforgettable experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the ancient rooftops, Lijiang undergoes a magical transformation. The town's lanterns flicker to life, illuminating the cobblestone streets in a warm glow. The air cools, carrying the scent of jasmine and wood smoke. This is the perfect time to experience a different side of Lijiang, one steeped in atmosphere and enchantment. Stroll along the canals, their waters reflecting the twinkling lights. Listen to the strains of Naxi music drifting from bars and tea houses. Join the locals for a night market where you can sample local delicacies and browse for souvenirs. The atmosphere is festive and lively, a stark contrast to the daytime tranquility. For a truly memorable experience, attend a performance of the Naxi Ancient Music Orchestra. The music is both haunting and beautiful, transporting listeners to another time and place. Lijiang is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, to reconnect with nature and with yourself. The town's slow pace of life, its stunning scenery, and its rich cultural heritage have a way of getting under your skin. You'll leave feeling refreshed, inspired, and perhaps a little bit changed. Take the time to wander aimlessly, to get lost in the labyrinthine streets of the old town. Strike up conversations with locals, even if you don't share a common language. Embrace the unexpected and allow yourself to be swept away by the town's unique charm. Lijiang is a place to be present, to savor the moment. Sit by the canal, sip a cup of fragrant tea, and watch the world go by. In the heart of Lijiang, you might just find a piece of yourself that you never knew was missing. Getting to Lijiang is easier than you might think. The town is served by Lijiang Sanyi International Airport, with regular flights from major Chinese cities. Once you arrive, the old town is easily navigable on foot. For exploring the surrounding area, taxis and buses are readily available. When it comes to accommodation, Lijiang offers a wide range of options to suit all budgets. From charming guest houses tucked away in quiet alleys to luxurious hotels with stunning mountain views, you'll find the perfect place to rest your head. Be sure to book in advance, especially if traveling during peak season. The best time to visit Lijiang is in spring or autumn, when the weather is mild and sunny. Leaving Lijiang is never easy. The town, with its fairy-tale charm and timeless beauty, has a way of staying with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets behind. The memories of your time there, the sights, sounds, and smells, will linger in your mind like half-forgotten dreams. You'll find yourself yearning for the tranquility of the canals, the majesty of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, the warmth of the Naxi people. For Lijiang is not just a place you visit, it's a place you carry with you, a reminder that magic and wonder still exist in the world, waiting